So you're starting your COFIER eye extension that are glueless, and we have here Flora, and this gives you an idea of how it's going to look. And trying to decide what works for you, it really depends, because if you have hooded eyes, they may cover short lashes, so you may want something just a little bit more dramatic or a little bit longer and not so short. Or unless you just want, it's just really up to your own preference to experiment, to see what you like and what works for you and what works for the moment. Because you may want a little bit more dramatic, just a little dramatic, or just like a natural look. So that is really up to you. And also included were some Q-tips and a curler that you can use. And also has a mirror that you can use. But yeah, when you grab them, try not to grab them at the bottom here. The bottom has some glue. So when you're attaching to when you're attaching them carefully to your eye, so when you attach them, you press on them for a few seconds, and they'll be on your eye, and they are water resistant and wind resistant. So yeah, just I wish I had forgot my little blower thing to show you, but yeah. So they may not be hurricane proof, but they will survive showers and some somewhat heavy winds. You don't have to worry too much about the wind. But even though it's strong and it's glueless, it's using a jelly type glue. And the only way I could explain it to people that it's kind of similar to, like, you get those cards in the mail and they're stuck to the paper with some kind of stickiness, but it's not sticky. Similar to that, that's how it sticks. The eyelashes stick to the very bottom of the roots of your eyelash. Remember, they go on the bottom of your eyelash, above the waterline. Just they glued to the bottom of the roots of your eyelash. They don't go on top of the eyelash, the bottom. So you don't have to worry about using any type of glue. And if you're thinking about, oh, can I use glue? Then the answer is no. Most likely you'll ruin the bond, the glue bond here in the eyelash. Or you have to worry about the flakes of the glue going into your eye if you were to put glue on there. So it really depends on a lot of different things. And you don't have to worry about the eyelash pulling off your own eyelash. So just give a little bit of the glue there, just to show you. And of course, here, if you're to put them back carefully, a little tricky. I got a camera blocking my view. But yeah, you just get them on there. Get it back onto the sticky line. Yeah, this has been COFIER. I mean, of course, there's many other questions, and the instructions do come with the place you can go, and the box gives you a brief overview on how to put the lashes on. But they're very simple. Just like I said, you just put them on the bottom of your lashes at the roots, above the waterline. So because if you feel any irritation, then they're not in the right place. It should only be on the roots of your eyelashes. This has been Father McFosfos. I hope you found any of this helpful. This is just a quick overview of about the eyelash. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more information, you have any more questions, you want demos of how to do it, even for a beginner, like there's people that have been doing this a long time, they're professional, and they're very good at what they do. And I myself will give it a try and see how easy it is for someone who's never done it before to show you how easy it is. Thanks for watching.